Hey guys, this is Kinjal and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we experienced a fantastic 2-day stay at the Mirasol Resort in Daman. If you haven't watched the video yet, I will leave the link in the description box and in the I button. Make sure to check it out. And today, we'll be experiencing the fun-filled world of Mirasol Water Park. If you're here for a day trip, or even if you want to club this with your stay at the Mirasol Resort, I have got you covered. I shall give you all the details from the ticket prices to the costume rentals and all the fun-filled moments we have at this resort and water park. So let's jump right in. The Mirasol Water Park is the perfect place to beat the heat this summer. This is the entrance area of the premises, and right behind this is the Mirasol Resort. And on the left side we have the Mirasol Water Park. So let's start with the ticket booking process. If your trip is pre-planned, you can book tickets online on their website. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can also buy tickets directly from their counter. The ticket price for adults is 1200 rupees per person, and for children below 4 feet, it is 950 rupees per person. You can buy or rent swimming costumes here for males, females and kids. The rental cost is 100 rupees along with an additional 100 rupees security deposit. There are separate changing rooms and locker rooms for males and females. The locker rent is 200 rupees, out of which you will get 100 back when you return the keys. The lockers are quite spacious and can accommodate a big bag and some smaller bags as well. Now the first thing you see in the water park is this huge wave pool which operates from 1 to 1:30 pm and 4 to 4:30 pm. At all other times it can be used as a normal swimming pool. They have a certain time slot for rain dance as well, along with music. This is the main building from which all the bigger slides operate. At every floor there are around 2 to 3 different slides. Some are single, some are couple slides, some with a tube and some without the tube. Apart from the fact that you almost have to climb 3 to 4 floors for these rides, one good thing is that the tubes are returned via pulley, so that the hassle of taking tubes all the way up is eliminated altogether. They also have a family raft ride which can accommodate 4 people at once. Lunch is included in the ticket price and they usually have a standard menu. Lunchtime here is from 1:30 to 2:30 pm in the afternoon, and all the slides and everything is shut during lunchtime. Now let's get into the kids section of the water park. They have various small and big slides for kids as well, with fancy setups. It is the ultimate splash zone for the little ones. From mini water slides to splashy fountains and shallow pools, every corner here is designed for safe and exciting fun. You can also buy goggles, caps, tubes, etc. from here. Next up, we have the wave pool which runs from 1 to 1:30 pm and 4 to 4:30 pm. All the other rides and sections of the water park are shut down during this time, so you will find everyone inside the wave pool. The intensity of the waves increases with time, and it is quite a fun experience to just let your body loose in the waves and tunes of some good Bollywood music. And lastly, there is the lazy river, which is the perfect way to cool off after trying out all the wild slides. Hop onto a tube, lean back and just let the current take you. This peaceful loop winds its way through the park like a calm stream. Overall, the Mirasol Resort is a great option for a fun-filled family day out. While the resort itself is a little on the smaller side, the rides are quite enjoyable, which makes it a worthwhile experience. The food was not bad either, so it's a great option for a quick family day out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Comment down below which was your favorite moment from this video, and I will see you in another video very soon. Until then, goodbye.